Israel army has killed a leading Hezbollah commander in an air attack in southern Lebanon, the Israeli military forces said. One of the Israeli warplane attacked and fired missile at Ismail el-Zin in a vehicle in the southern Lebanese area of Kunin on Sunday, the Israeli Air Force announced on Sunday. The Hezbollah armed group confirmed the death of al-Zin. In their statement on Telegram, the Israeli army described Ismail el-Zin as a significant commander in Hezbollah militia's elite Radwan brigade. He was an expert in anti-tank unit which has conducted strikes into northern Israel in a number of operations. Ismail el-Zin was a significant figure and a source of knowledge regarding anti-tank missiles and was directly responsible for dozens of anti-tank missile operations against Israeli army and security forces, the Israel Air Force said in a statement on Telegram. Hezbollah's militia redoubt was rather non-specific and just confirmed the death of Ismail el-Zin. Hezbollah has been exchanging regular fire and attacks with Israeli military since Palestinian group Hamas carried out an attack on Israel which led to launching an assault on Gaza. Israel has killed over 200 Hezbollah leaders and members, and around 20 members belong to the Radwan brigade, including at least senior commanders like Wisma Tol, a Hezbollah officer who played a commanding role in directing its strikes in northern Israel. UNIFIL stands firm in Lebanon despite escalating Hezbollah-Israel hostilities. Israel's firing and shelling has killed over 100 civilians, including children, women, medics, and journalists, and strike both United Nations peacekeeping forces and the Lebanese army. On Sunday, Hezbollah announced it carried out more than 7 attacks on Israeli troops and units, and said one of its strikes targeted and destroyed newly developed spy equipment at Al-Jarda near the northern Israeli border. The group also released 2 videos that showed its attacks on Saturday, targeting a group of Israeli soldiers at Adamat in northern Israel, along with a building used for military operations by Israeli soldiers near the northern Israel border. Amid the concerns about an escalation in strikes and wider conflict in the region, the United States and other Western countries have sought to secure a diplomatic resolution to the exchanges of fire between Hezbollah and Israel. Hezbollah has repeatedly said it will not halt fire before a United Nations resolutions-based ceasefire is implemented in Gaza. On Friday, Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant visited the Army's Northern Command and said the Israel's forces would keep up its operations against Hezbollah militia rather aggressively. We will make them pay a price for every attack that comes out from Lebanon to Israel, he said. The Israeli army announced it has killed a Hezbollah commander in an airstrike on a vehicle in Lebanon on Sunday, identifying him as Ismail el-Zin, a commander in the anti-tank missile squad of Hezbollah's Radwan brigade.